Hello students. Now today again we are meeting with chapter number 1 BA Business Administration. Now same chapter, nature and significance of management, but up to this lecture what we have done in last lectures? So simple. Nature, significance of management completed. Importance means significance completed. Levels of management completed. Then after most important thing, functions of management. What is done? What we are doing in function? What we are doing in management? Which are the activities done in management? Planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling, coordination also. So this all the things is completed. That is functions of management. Function of management. And today we are doing functional area of management. Now here very huge difference between function of management and functional area of management. What is function? What we are doing, that is the function. We are planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling, coordinating. So these are the functions. But all these things where we are doing, that is the area. Functional area of management. Where we are doing this, that is functional area of management. We are doing planning. Where? Organizing. Where? Staffing. Where? So where planning is required, that area is called functional area of management. So there is 4 areas given in your textbook. That is first, marketing management, human resource management, financial management, production management. Planning done in this all areas, organizing done in this all areas. So these functions are performed in the areas, that is functional area of management. Functions performed in the areas where, that is functional area. So these are the 4 functional area. Marketing management. Why we are doing marketing management? To get benefit from the market, to sell our product in the market, to develop our product in the market. Human resource management, we need persons. For that, plan how many persons, appoint them, particular place, decide salaries, all these things human resource management required. In that also planning, organization is there. Financial management, money planning, financial management. Production management, how to produce, which quality we should provide. Production management. So where we are doing planning, where we need controlling, is area in which we need all the things. Simple one. Now with detail, we are doing today only 2 areas of management. One, marketing management, and second, financial management. Second and fourth we are doing in next lecture. So today's target, first, marketing management. Now don't read these things, just try to understand yourself, or whatever in your mind, think it. Marketing, this word is not new for all of you. Think marketing, what is marketing? Sir, persons are doing advertisement, that is marketing. Companies are doing advertisement, that is marketing. Making hoardings, marketing. Film stars coming in different serials, that is also marketing by film star. They want to promote their own film, and that's why they are coming to different serials. Take example Tarak Mehta. In Tarak Mehta, many film stars coming and giving their one type of advertisement is there. Simple. So marketing is what make our product famous in the market. Make our product available to the person. So you are the best. That you have to prove as by doing marketing. If you are doing proper marketing, then you are the best that person can know very well. If you are not best, even you are doing best marketing, then your selling can be increased, but it is for short time only. You can increase your sales in the market, but it is only for short time because you are not good. Your marketing is best. That's why your selling is increasing. Otherwise, no. That's why. What is marketing? Sir, yes, be clear. What is marketing? So simplest one. Marketing management. Provide goods or services. Provide goods or services. I am providing you service. I will provide this lecture on YouTube Live. Why? Providing my service to public. From producer to consumer. Simple. So provide goods or services from producer to consumer is called marketing management. That's it. Now, which are the procedures we need to follow? That we have to decide as per our requirement. I choose YouTube. Second, Zoom Live also. I am taking Zoom Live lecture also. So that is also producer to service provider to consumer. I am providing my service. That is what? Marketing management. Students are in their own home and they are getting my lectures. Anywhere in the world they can take my lecture very well. Marketing management. Provide goods or service to consumer and with easy manner. So that is marketing management. Now what marketing management include? So marketing management include exchange of goods against money. Against money. Not free of cost. So exchange of goods. This is the main thing. But other functions also included. Other things are also included. Market research. What consumers are required. That we have to research and then provide that type of service or that type of goods. So market research. Today in this situation, compulsorily we have to provide online lectures. Simple. Distribution method. How we are distributing goods to the consumer. If we are providing service, how we are providing services to consumer. Sales promotion. How we can increase our sales. That steps are taken in marketing management. Included in marketing management. Storage. Where goods should be stored. So that is storage. So these are the steps which is included in marketing management. So marketing management is what? Providing goods or service from producer to consumer. That's it. What is included? These things are included. Now meaning of marketing management. Marketing management is a process. Marketing management is a process. Which process? Providing goods or service to consumer. Yes, sir. That is the process. But how? See, to decide the necessity of customer. What is the requirement of customer? Decide it first. Decide it first. What is the requirement of customer? Next, and convert it into goods or services. Now, what is the need of customer today? They need lectures at their own place in their home. I am providing them that lectures. So that is the need of customer, and I convert that need into services because I am providing service. Suppose I am providing some goods, free home delivery. Convert it into goods. What they need, convert it into goods. Suppose their need is sanitizations. Sanitizers. Suppose I am providing that at free of cost, at free home at their homes, then and same price will be provided at same price which is in the market. So my sales will be increase. Simple. So today's requirement, sanitizers, yes, provide. Simple. So marketing management is a process. Which process? Decide the necessity of customer. First, what they need, decide it. Then, as per their need, make goods or service. So, convert it into goods or service. It means that need we are providing by goods or services, and made available to the customer, consumer, user, whomever is there. We need to provide all the things to consumer, customer, user, whatever. So this process is called marketing management. That is written here also. From producer to customer, provide goods and services. But what to provide? That we need to think first. And that is called necessity of the customer. So what is the necessity? Research it. Then after, make that product or provide that service directly to consumer. Simple. So that is marketing management. Nothing else. Going ahead. In marketing management, what is the target? Maximum utilization of resources. Whatever resources available, use it maximum. And increase profitability. Increase our profit. That's it. Nothing else. Going ahead. Creating demand for goods and services. So in marketing management, goods and service demand is created. Suppose I am making new product which is not in the market at all. So giving information to the public. This is the new product, very well used, useful to you in regular life. I am providing that type of information to all public. And that product is really useful in regular life. Then what? Simple. I am providing service, creating demand. Providing goods, creating demand. New products. Simple. So these are the marketing management topics. Now, which are the functions done in marketing management? So 5 functions are there. Simple. On this basis only functions created. First, product and product mix. Now sir, what is product and what is product mix? Whatever product I am making, that is my product. But related to that product. Suppose my manufacturing work is related to shoe. But with shoe, I am manufacturing socks also. That is product mix. Related item, all the things I am producing. Product mix. So product or product mix, that is the function. Development of new product, creating new products regularly, or Secondly, make changes in existing product. Whatever product we have, change it. Regularly change it. You have, I definitely sure, all of you have knowledge. Food packets, whatever you are purchasing. After some time, they are changing their packaging method. Why they are changing their packaging method? Products are same, but what they are new product launching in the market. Actually, it's not new, but only packaging changes. Same things are provided with a different package in different packings, and that's why making changes in existing product, even size, shapes are changed, and then providing new product. Simple. So that is what make changes in existing product. If you cannot provide new product, don't worry. Make changes in existing product and provide it differently. It also helps you. So product mix, that is the first function. Second, price, decide price, give better quality at less price, then you will get benefit definitely from the market, because today's market needed maximum benefit, maximum good quality, but they required it at low price also. If they are getting low price product with best quality, then definitely you will get benefit from the market. So that is part of marketing management. Third one, distribution of goods, providing of services. I am directly providing service directly at your home, online lectures. Free home delivery, directly providing goods to customer. Now distribution methods may be different. Through wholesaler you can provide, through retailer also you can provide. So these are the direct distribution, through wholesaler, retailer, many levels of distribution methods are there. So which you are selecting, that is also function of marketing management. Promotion means increase in our sales. How we can increase our sales in the market, that is also part of marketing. These are the four functions which are done in marketing management. So marketing management in short, what? Search what is requirement of market, make that type of goods, provide them, then marketing management. Clear? Simple. Now second one, I am discussing financial management. This two in next lecture. So next one, financial management. Now finance means money, management means arrangement. Simple. Not only arrangement. First we are arranging finance, then utilizing it in proper way, so that we can get maximum benefit from finance. Investment of capital. If we are investing in proper way, then getting maximum benefit. So what is financial management? How much capital required? Short term required, long term required, which type of capital required? That we have to decide. Then from where we are getting, what is the financial structure? My financial structure should be of only share capital, debenture, combination of both. Share capital, preference share capital, equity share capital, debentures, preference share capital, equity share capital, loan. Which financial structure I am selecting? That is financial management. So, starting with financial management. Sir, financial management. First, finance is what? Lifeblood of business. In our body, blood is working. In our body, blood. If without blood body, what it is? Simple. Here finance also for business, working as a blood. So it's a lifeblood of working. It's a life of business. Without finance, no business can run. So finance is life of business. Now, establishment. Finance is used for what? First of all, establishment of business. If we want to establish our business, finance requirement is there. Second, development. If I want to develop my business, finance required. Expansion. If I want to expand my business, finance required. Modernization. Modernization. If in market new machines come that I have to purchase, I need to make my new modern company, then finance required. Simple. So for this all the things, finance is required, and that's why finance is lifeblood of business. Without it, that is not possible. Now, meaning of financial management. What I have told you, that is the financial management. Getting, utilizing maximum benefit. That's it. See, financial management deals with functions of, which are the functions? So first, acquisition of finance. Acquisition, getting. Second, utilization, means using finance. And allocation of capital. Allocation of capital. So this utilization and allocation both are somewhat same type. So allocation of capital. In which way? In an ideal and efficient manner. Ideal and efficient manner. Ideal means whatever needed, that is provided. Efficient manner means in which we are getting maximum benefit, in that only capital provided. So this is the important thing. Ideal and efficient manner, utilization of capital is there. That is called financial management, nothing else. Now, which are the functions of financial management? What we are doing? So this we are doing. See, first, estimates financial need. First of all, think, what is the requirement? Estimation of finance. Second thing, make financial plan. Now make plans. Short-term finance needed, long-term finance needed. From point of view of time. By considering time. Short-term, long-term. Because if short-term finance needed, then we are getting loan for short period. But if long-term finance needed, we are issuing shares so that we are getting long-term finance. Simple. Prepare budget. Now budget for what? Different projects. In different projects, how many rupees required? Make budget of it. Decide capital structure. Now capital structure means, I told you, only share capital, preference share capital, equity share capital, debenture, loan. Which structure you need to select? That is the capital structure. And select source of it. From where we are getting our money. Carry out the procedure for. Now which procedure carry out? Acquiring finance. Now start acquiring finance. If I want to issue shares, then issue it. Get finance. Simple. Going ahead. Fund utilization. So use of fund. And to control over activities of finance. Control over activity of finance. It means utilization of fund, and it is not utilized in that way so that we are getting loss. Control over it. So fund utilization should be there. Form financial policies. Now this is the important one. Make policy for finance. Always decide one policy which is beneficial to you. If you can get your own capital, then don't get outsiders capital. It is a one type of liability to other. Don't get loan, or don't arise your liability, because liability is liability at last. Sometimes if profit decreasing, then liability makes you pay. So policy, financial policy. Some businesses are running in the market. They are doing their business with their own capital only. They are not getting capital from the market. That is the best thing, because no one can beat them. If their profit decreasing, even they are not suffering many problems. So financial policy is the best thing. Next, plan for taxes. Simple. We have to pay taxes. So plan it. Make arrangement of assets. Different assets we need to purchase. So make arrangement of it. That is done only by finance. So these are the functions done in financial management. And yes, marketing management. In marketing, persons are doing MBA. In finance also, persons are doing MBA. And after doing MBA in finance, they are working as financial manager, marketing manager. Simple. We'll do in next lecture remaining 2 points. Bye bye.